Well, hi everybody, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim, and this video today is going to be aimed at Doordash and Grubhub customers. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'd appreciate that. So this past weekend, I ran into some really strange things that people put into the delivery instructions. You would think it would be common sense that these instructions are aimed at the delivery itself, but obviously that's not the case. People don't understand what the delivery instructions are for. So yeah, let's go through this real quick. Okay, so first of all, what should be in the delivery instructions? Okay, put only information that pertains to the actual delivery. Gate codes, that's a great thing to have in the delivery instructions so we don't have to text you or call you. Details on how to find your house or apartment if it's confusing. Or if you don't have your address on your house, or if at nighttime it's hard to see or something. Give some details about the house so it's easy for us to find. A working cell number if you want us to text or call you. So many times the number associated with the delivery is wrong. I had a delivery this past weekend with the address was incorrect. The number that they gave me on the street did not exist. I tried texting and calling to no avail. Now, if I had a valid cell phone number in there, I'm sure it would have worked. But anyways, in the delivery instructions, tell us whether you want us to knock or ring the bell or not. How I don't knock or ring the bell. I just leave the food and I let the app notify the customer. But, it's not always clear what the person wants. So let us know. You can also leave some information on where to leave the food. If you don't want it right by the front door, like maybe you have a gate that's, you want it outside the gate. You don't want us coming through the gate to your front door. Or if you have a chair sitting by the garage, you want the food on the chair. Or there's a decorative bench out by the front of your house, you want it on the bench. Just let us know. If you put it in the instructions, then we know. Basically, put anything that will help the driver deliver the food. Okay, that's it. That's all needs to go in the delivery instructions. You need to know that we don't work for the restaurants. In fact, we're not affiliated with the restaurant at all. I understand when you order delivery from Domino's Pizza, that delivery driver works for Domino's. I'm not even sure if you can deliver on the app, if they have an app that you log into for Domino's, but any request that you would put there would go to Domino's, whether it's an order request or something for the delivery driver. It's one company, so that whole organization would get that information. We, however, do not work for the restaurants that we pick the food up from. We work for ourselves, actually, but we are representing Doordash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, etc. We have no control over the food. All we care about is the delivery portion of the order. Putting cooking instructions in the delivery notes does nothing to help you get the food how you want. Asking for us to verify that the burgers are cooked medium well or that they put extra onions on your pizza. These instructions will not do a thing for you if you add them into the delivery instructions because we are not there when they prepare the food. We have no control over how they prepare the food. We basically arrive at the restaurant and the food should already be ready and done and packaged up. So we arrive and we pick up a sealed bag. Take it to your house. That's it. We don't look inside the bag. We are certainly not going to open up the food containers. We have no control or care, really. It's not that we don't care, but what's in that bag, it's a sealed bag. We don't know what's in there. We can't tell you how it's cooked. We can't tell you if everything's in there. We have no, by asking us these questions, it does no good at all. I have a good analogy for you. Think of us as a UPS driver for food. We pick up the package, secure it in our car, drive it to you, and deliver the package. A UPS driver has a box to deliver to you. He has no control over what's in the box. He doesn't know if everything you ordered is included or how it's packaged. All he's doing is taking that box, keeping it secure in his truck, and delivering it to your home. That's it. No one ever asks him, hey, is everything in the box? How would he know? He won't open the boxes and verify the contents. And neither do we. I always ask the person at the restaurant, is everything is in the bag? And of course they always say yes. They don't look either. If there's a drink, I can tell if that's missing because, I look at what the order contains and I can see that they got a drink. And if they don't hand me a drink, I can ask them for the drink. But I don't know if everything else is included in the bag. There's just no way to know. So specifically to Grubhub here, Grubhub delivery instructions, we can't even see these delivery instructions until we've marked that we've picked up the food and that we are leaving the restaurant. Once we mark that we are leaving, then the delivery instructions pop up. At this point, we're already in our car and headed towards your home. We can see the delivery instructions, which are meant to help us find your house and deliver the food. So many times I see things like, please ask them for extra hot sauce. Make sure the meat is medium well. Don't forget to add extra onions on the burger and fries extra crispy. First of all, I'm already on my way to your house, so anything you ask is probably not going to happen. But even if I was still in the restaurant, I have no control over these cooking requests. And the food is usually already ready by the time I get there. So even if I went and told them, hey, they want the fries extra crispy, they're going to say, well, it's already done. There it is, your bag. They're not going to remake your food. So, yeah. And DoorDash, similar instructions. With DoorDash, though, we can see the delivery instructions prior to leaving the restaurant, but most Dashers don't look at them until they're in the car. I sometimes will look because so many times people are asking for straws or, extra salad dressing or whatever. So I look just to see if that's what they're asking for so I can ask for that before I leave. But, same as with Grubhub, food preparation requests need to go to the restaurant. We can ask if those things happen, but 99% of the time they'll just say yes, even though the girl handing us the food has no idea if they indeed followed these instructions. I do have a few restaurants where they verify the receipt on the package with the order that's on my screen, but that still doesn't guarantee what's inside that actual bag. It shows that the receipt matches what my order is, and I check that also, but that doesn't guarantee that stuff's actually in the bag. And when you place your order on DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber, whatever, if there's no spot to add cooking instructions, call the restaurant and have them add those requests. Don't put it in the delivery instructions. It's not going to help you, and you're just going to end up disappointed. It's not that we don't care. It's just not part of our job. Our job is to pick up the food from the restaurant, try to make sure we have the correct order. Like I said, I verify the receipt that's on the bag, if there is one. A lot of restaurants don't even have a receipt with what is in the app. If there's a drink, I make sure I pick up a drink. I verify that I have the items I'm supposed to deliver as best we can, obviously, without opening the bags. Secure the items in an insulated bag. Drive to your location and deliver the food. We do not have any control over the food itself. So thank you. Thank you if you move forward and do these things. It will not only make your delivery smoother, your expectations will change as far as what the delivery driver is responsible for, and if you have special requests, it needs to go to the restaurant itself. So please only put delivery instructions in the delivery instruction area of the app, and please don't forget the gate codes. So that's all I had to say. I just really wanted to share this information because I'm baffled at the things that I see in the delivery instructions. So thanks for listening. I hope this helps, and see you next time.